We've been talking a lot about wildfire season over the last couple of days, Keith, so it looks as though the rain we got overnight ought to put a little dent in it.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, the soil moisture now is getting a lot higher, and of course we had a lot of snow melt, so that helps with it too. Not really how you want to look at it when it rains, but there is a positive side to it. We were getting into a little bit of a drought along the coastline. Had some good rain in the morning. We're starting to get into an area where there's not as much forcing in the atmosphere, so there's a break in the action. There's still some more rain to our south and west, though, so we're not totally done with this, even in areas that have stopped with the precipitation. Mentioned before, and we're talking 10 miles colder than I expected, but that's good news for the ski areas. Again, I haven't heard from them as to what they got. Maybe they only got a half inch, who cares? It's better than getting a lot of rain, which was a possibility for them. So we'll check in with them later and see what they ended up getting for snow. Temperatures are borderline even in the mountains, so it's snowing at 33, 34. A little bit harder to accumulate, but probably at the high terrain they did okay. 40s elsewhere, so it's chilly rain, except for down East Maine, which is in the 50s still, kind of part of that warm sector that was preceding this storm originally. So again, areas that are now just cloudy, we're not totally done, so just be aware of that. We do still have some light rain that will come through, but it's not going to be as heavy as what we saw last night and early this morning. And by later on this evening, we get a couple of snow showers in the mountains, and we'll start to clear out to below freezing in a lot of spots. And tomorrow is a cooler day when compared to the last couple, ending up only in the 40s and a mixture of sun and clouds. And so that'll be a below average day, of which we haven't had a lot of right in the second half of March, but it's still decent because it's dry and there's some sun. Then we roll into Saturday, which looks nice. Temperatures there should be better in the upper 40s to around 50 degrees, and it will be mostly sunny. I think these temperatures are a little bit too cool. It'll probably be warmer than this, but it will be sunny in most areas. All right, we're still watching the storm on Sunday night into Monday. I think we've seen improvement in the models agreeing, because the European model is trying to give us some snow really on Sunday night into early Monday. What it's done now is it's still giving us a little light precipitation overnight on Sunday, but I think it's starting to back off a little. You can see the storm back here. So we see maybe some light snow over down East Maine mixing with rain in the middle of the night here on Sunday into early Monday, but I do not think it's a big deal, which is kind of in the camp of the other models for Sunday into Monday. So we have less disagreement, which we're always a fan of when it comes to forecasting. So Saturday looks good. We'll call Sunday partly sunny. Do be aware over northern Maine and down East Maine that we could see that light mix right around sunset or a little bit before. And it probably will make for a dreary-ish day on Monday with that storm in the vicinity. Clouds and isolated rain and snow showers around. Mostly cloudy on Tuesday. Temperatures right around 50. Should start to warm up by midweek into the upper 50s. The stats on this March, of course, were amazing. One of them, Pat, was that we came in with the second lowest March snow total in Portland's history. Bangor came in with number 1. And by the way, it was just a trace. There was just a year in Portland where there was not even a trace. Wow. So,
all right. I think maybe it's something we needed this year. I don't know.
Yeah, mentally.
Thanks, Keith.